ICE, that's not how the law works. ICE has apparently imposed new rules on congressional visits as though they get any say. Fun fact, Congress writes the laws, not ICE. Here's the thing. Congress is allowed to make unannounced oversight visits to immigration facilities that detain or otherwise house aliens. And yet, ICE has seen fit to repeatedly deny these oversight visits to Congress members. According to the new guidelines they issued, ICE retains the sole and unreviewable discretion to deny a request or otherwise cancel, reschedule, or terminate a tour or visit if 5 facility management or other ICE officials deem it appropriate to do so. That's pretty broad. Deem it appropriate to do so? I don't trust your judgment. I've seen how you operate. They also claim that field offices are not included in the Section 527 definition of, quote, facilities used to detain or otherwise house aliens. They claim they are not detention facilities. They do not detain anyone there. And yet, there are claims that some of these field offices are in fact used to hold migrants and sometimes U.S. citizens for days at a time. And here's the thing, how would we know if they're not subject to the same sort of unannounced inspections? You don't get to say how the law works. Now, the problem is, of course, who's going to hold them accountable? The Department of Justice is also run by the baddies. However, and I've explained this before, people and entities can sue if they believe that they have been harmed by the actions, policies, laws, etc. by the government. The problem is the people who could be harmed by this are largely being disappeared into a system and denied their rights altogether. But ICE should know. There are ways.